Bye. Well, hi guys, happy February 1st and welcome to my YouTube channel, Hair Evolution, where I'm going to be giving reviews and product tutorials based on the 4B, 4C hair experience. I know a lot of times we do look at videos on YouTube and they don't always give us the perspective from our hair. I've been natural now for about 2 years and I've gone through so many different videos where I had to adapt my hair to the products that didn't really work the same or doesn't mimic the same results that those bloggers use. So I wanted to add to that community and give my own perspective on what has worked for my hair. In the 2 years, I've had exponential growth. I've had great moisture retention. And so I wanted to share what really worked for me. My first video, I'm going to do a review of a great new product. I know you guys have probably seen a lot of reviews popping up for Natural 85's Melanin Haircare brand. Here we are, the lovely pink packaging. And this is their Twist Elongating Style Cream. Now what this is good for is moisturizing and also elongating your twist outs, braid outs, and anything that you want to reduce a lot of shrinkage on, because I know that's a big problem. My braid outs start here when wet and are almost up here when dry, and it's so frustrating. So I wanted to try this product so bad. Once I saw her demo it and I saw the other reviews from it, I was ready to go. So I'm going to hop in the shower really quick. I'm going to detangle, condition, and shampoo my own hair. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys how the Twist Elongating Style Cream is working on my own hair. I'm going to do a quick show of how I put it on. And then we're going to get some results. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a little bit. So now my hair has been washed, detangled, and conditioned. Deep conditioned, of course. And I'm going to start with my twist. I have my oil blend, a little bitty squeeze bottle here. And I have a water bottle for if my hair gets a little too dry. And I have a leave-in conditioner. I use Ren Pure Coconut Leave-In. And of course, I have my Melanin Haircare, which I'm really happy to try out. So we're going to start with one in the back. Just making sure it's detangled. And I probably will have to still finger detangle a little bit just because my hair is so thick that it severely doesn't stay detangled for very long. And then we are going to start with a little bit of leave-in. I never start any of my twists without my leave-in because it always keeps my hair really, really moisturized and locks the moisture in. And then on top of the leave-in, we're going to do our Melanin Hair Care. I love the consistency of this. I love that it's thick and it goes on my hair really creamy, and my hair seemed to really love it. See, I have to finger detangle a little bit. And I always make sure I pay close attention to the ends of the hair, and also making sure that the ends are the oldest part of the hair, and also they get the driest, especially in California weather. So I have to make sure that I always finger detangle the ends. And then over top, I put oil, and that locks in the moisture of the Melanin Hair Care blend. So now we twist this up. And I wasn't worried about the leave-in mix with my Melanin Haircare. I've heard that there can be some flaking, but I didn't experience any flaking. Everything was fine with mine. And so I was happy about that because a lot of the things that I do mix for my hair don't blend and I end up with flaking along with great definition. There's flaking. So it's like I was happy to see that this Melanin Haircare did not do that. A little bit more finger detangling and we're ready to twist up. Make sure don't forget the oil. And a little speed here. Finally, we're on our last twist. Okay, so I'm done twisting up my hair with the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. I normally don't put my hair in twists this big, but I just wanted to kind of see if I followed some of the tutorials I've seen, how it would act on my hair for B4C. So we'll try it out and see what comes out with it. If not, I'm going to probably do another styling tutorial with my braid out that I normally do using the cream and see kind of the difference in the looks that I get. So it is reveal day. My hair looks a little bit crazy, I know, but shortly I will be able to show you what my results were from the Melanin Hair Care brand. So give me just one moment. Okay guys, I am seriously in awe for this to be my first video, my first review, and for the results to be this awesome. My hair, when I do a just twist out, has never been this stretched. It has never kept this kind of consistency when I untwisted it. And this is amazing. Do you guys see? Wow. And this much body, wow. I'm sold. I'm sold. I'm definitely going to keep up my Melanin Hair Care brand. Wow. And it's still so awesome. Like no shrinkage. Like my hair didn't shrink any. That's crazy. And it still feels, it feels really moisturized. It's not dry because of the drying that we had to do to our hair. Normally it kind of dries out a little bit in those days, but it's still as moisturized as it was when you first put it up. Wow. I love it. Do you guys see this curl definition? That is insane. Wow. I love it. So this is my review of Melanin Hair Care, and I will put the link down below for you guys to know where to you can pick this up. And don't be sure to visit Napture85 for any of her reviews, new product launches, and I will be sure to review them here. And don't forget to share the link and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.